Installation. Preparation. It is important to be well prepared before installing the VCS. Upon entering the meeting room, verify that the following three elements are present. Displayed device, in order of preference, TV, projector, monitor, power supply, active internet connection. Packaging contents. This section covers the installation of the Yealink video conferencing system. Here are the package contents. First, we have the VCC18, an 18 times optical PTZ camera, the VCP40 video conferencing phone, which includes microphone arrays with a 360-degree voice pickup, the VC400 or the VC120, full HD codec, and the VCR10 remote control. Next, the cables. There is one DVI cable for the camera, one VGA cable for your PC, an HDMI cable for the display device. The VC400 includes two HDMI cables, one audio cable for external audio equipment in the case of the VC400, and two standard Ethernet cables, one for VCP40 and one for the network. We also provide a power adapter, two AAA batteries for the remote control, cable ties, a quick start guide, and camera wall mount accessories. In addition, we offer the CPE80 as an optional expansion microphone. Connections. Now let's get started with the setup. The DVI cable connects the camera and the codec. One end goes into the camera and the other end goes into the codec. Next, we attach the HDMI cable to the codec display port and to the display device. Yealink VCS supports dual screen setups. If you only have one display device, please connect the HDMI cable to the Display 1 port on the back of the codec. Then use an Ethernet cable to connect the VCS phone and the codec. The other Ethernet cable connects the codec to your router. If you want to share content with your meeting counterparts, use the VGA cable to connect your PC to the codec. Finally, plug in the power adapter. Your VCS is now installed. Bracket and camera installation. The camera bracket can be installed in hanging mode or wall mount mode. Hanging mode can be used only when the thickness of your monitor is between 35 and 120 millimeters. Step 1. Fix the camera to the bracket and fasten the silver screw into the camera base. Step 2. Remove the cover from the two pieces of tape on the bracket. Step 3. Install the bracket on the monitor. Make sure that the bracket's edge snugly fits the monitor. Step 4. Adjust the bracket until it is flush with the back of the monitor. Press the tape firmly to make sure the bracket is affixed. Wall mount mode uses the following equipment: 4 expansion bolts, 4 T4 by 30 screws, and 2 M3 by 8 screws. Step 1. Measure and mark the distance on the wall for the 4 expansion bolts. The horizontal distance between the bolt holes is 50 millimeters, and the vertical distance is 100 millimeters. Drill 4 holes with a diameter of 6 millimeters and a depth of 30 millimeters. Then insert the expansion bolts. Step 2. Move the 2 pre-positioned screws on the bracket to the wall mount position. Then, use 2 M3x8 screws to attach the bracket. Step 3. Use 4 T4x30 screws to fix the bracket to the wall. Step 4. Thread the DVI cable through the bracket. Step 5. Attach the camera with the silver screw. Boot up the unit using the power button. Choose the appropriate TV video source which connects to the VCS codec. If the screen displays incomplete after booting up, you can use the TV remote control to adjust the proportions to 1:1. If the display device is a projector or a monitor, the proportion cannot be changed.